All right, you guys struggle doing your liner and mess up sometimes. I got you. This is a brand called Meloway. Meloway, and what's cool about this one, it comes with the liner, which, okay, I get it. We got that. Now, what's cool about it, it comes with an eraser. So if you kind of do a little oopsie, girl, we got you, which is so cool because now if I make a mistake, you could delete it and perfect that liner. And it didn't even disturb my makeup on the side. Oh my goodness. Ooh. All right, so this retails for $22. I'm dropping stuff. I'm excited. Sorry. Dropping stuff. But it is called, the brand, remember, it's called Meloway, Your Way Eyeliner Plus Remover. So it has 2-in-1, the liner and the eraser. You can't go wrong. Try it out. Let me finish the other side. All right, you guys. So look, I did both sides now, and I'm gonna show you. Let's say, for example, I do my line, and for some reason I'm like, oh man, I don't smudge or smeared or did something to it, right? So then you're gonna go like this. I'm gonna go here in the middle, and then you could actually, bam, just correct that in an instant, and it won't mess up your makeup. At first I was concerned when I corrected this side, and for example, like, look, let me see right here. Let's make sure we even that out right here. Look at that. Nice. I like. All right, this retails for $22. Go online, go anywhere you want to go, but give this a shot. This is pretty cool. An eraser plus this, especially as a mom in the go, or if you are one person who struggles to do your liner, this will be perfect. Practice, practice, just practice. All right, this is the name. Bye. All right.